The question I'm having says 1000 cm cube of a gas was produced at 27 degrees centigrade and 400 millimeter mercury. What volume would the gas occupy at 35 degrees centigrade and 1200 millimeter mercury? So the question, for what they say, they mention volume. So I'll say that the first volume they mention, which is V1, is 1000 cm cube. And the next thing they mention is temperature. I call it T1, 27 degrees centigrade. And we don't solve with it. So we actually change it to Kelvin. And how do we do that? We add 273. So that is 300 what? Kelvin. That's the first temperature. Now the first pressure they mentioned is actually 400 millimeter mercury, right? Very good. Now they're asking us what volume, that's the second volume. They're asking us to find the second volume. Would the gas occupy at 35 degrees centigrade? That's the T2. They don't know it. So what volume would the gas occupy? They don't know the volume at 35 degrees centigrade. Remember, we don't solve with degrees centigrade. Rather, we convert it to Kelvin. So we add 273 again. And what will it give us? To give us 300 and what? 8 Kelvin. Now, at 35 degrees centigrade and 1200 millimeter mercury, that's the second pressure now, is 1200 millimeter what? Mercury. Does that make sense? So if you watch this question is actually coming from general gas equation, which says that P1 V1 all over T1 is equals what? P2 V2 all over what? T2. So we are looking for V2. If you make V2 subject of formula, that's if you cross multiply, you having all these times this will give us P1 V1 T2 is equals all these times this equals P2 V2 T1. So what are we even looking for? We are looking for V2. So we have to divide both sides by P2 T1 over P2 T1. Cancel, cancel, cancel. So I have that V2 is now P1 V1 T2 all over P2 T1. So we just need is just to substitute. So I have that V2 is equals P1, which is what? 400 times the V1, which is 1000 times the T2, which is what? 308, everything over P2, which is 1200 times the T1, which is times the T1, which is 300. Very good. So I can say cancel 0, 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 cancel 0. Is that clear? So I have 4 here, 1, 4 here, 3. So this is 10 times this, which I know it will give me equals 3080 all over 3 times 3, which is what? 9. So if you point this in your calculator, you'll be getting 342.22 cubic centimeter. And that's our final answer. I hope you understand. Have a nice day. Like, comment, share, and follow Coaches Academy. Bye-bye.